Hello, good morning. How are you doing today? Very good. I know that you people are doing fine. Okay, so today it's another day and we are going to study math. Okay, today we are going to study math. Okay, and the topic we are going to study today is missing numbers. Okay, we are going to study missing numbers. Are you happy to study math today? Very good. Now, before we start, I will read missing numbers for you to listen 3 times. Okay? The second time I will read missing numbers, you are going to listen, okay, and you repeat after the teacher. Okay? And the last time I will read missing numbers, we are going to read it together with teacher. Are you ready? Very good. Now, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Let's go. Missing numbers. Okay. Missing numbers. Missing numbers. Very good. This time, teacher wants you to listen again and you repeat with your mouth. Okay, you are going to listen to the teacher and you repeat after the teacher. Okay, let's go. Missing numbers. Very good. Okay, now again. Missing numbers. Wow, that is great. Now, for the last time, missing numbers. Very good. Now, let's pronounce missing numbers together. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Missing numbers. Very good. One more time. Missing numbers. Very good. Now, look on the board. We have some numbers on the board. We have 4, we have 7, we have 8, and we also have 9. Now, missing numbers means we are going to look for the numbers that are not here, that are supposed to be here, and they are not here. One more time. Missing numbers means we are going to look for the numbers that are supposed to be here, here, here and here, but they are not here. So we have the first number here. Before number 4, what number do we have? Before we get to number 4, there is a number. What is the number? Very good. We have number 3. Very good. Before number 4, we have number 3. Very good. Now, after number 4, what number do we have next? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. After number 4, we have number 5. So we are going to write number 5 here. Very good. Now, after number 5, what number do we have next? Let's count from number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. After number 5, the next number we have is number 6. Very good. So that is how we can trace the missing numbers. Now we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and number 9. Very good. Very good. Now look on the board. We have some numbers on the board. For example, we have number 14, we have the number 16, and we have number 18. Very good. Remember, missing numbers, you are going to look for the numbers that are supposed to be here, but they are not here. we are going to look for the numbers that are supposed to be here, 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 and here, but they are not there. Now, what are the numbers? So we have number 14. Now, before number 14, what number do we have? Let's count from number 10. We have 10, we have 11, we have 12, we have 13. So, before number 14, we have number 13. Very good. We have number 13. Very good. So, 13, 14. After number 14, what is the next number? Very good. So, we are going to count 13, 14. After number 14, what is the next number? Very good. 15. Number 15. Very good. Now, let's count 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow. What number is supposed to be here? Who can try? Okay, let's count one more time. 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. 17. So the next number after number 16 is number 17. Very good. And after number 17, we have number 18. And the next number is, what number is supposed to be here? Okay, let's count one more time. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What number is supposed to be here? Okay, let's count one more time. Okay, let's go. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Who can tell me? Very good. 19. So after number 18, we have 19. Now let's count one more time. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and number 19. Very good. Very good. Now we have another numbers on the board. So let's look at the numbers we have on the board. We have number 8. Okay. We have number 10. And we have number 13. Very good. Now we are going to look for the missing numbers. Okay. Remember, our topic is missing numbers. Now missing numbers also mean we are going to look for the numbers that are supposed to be here, here, and here, but they are not here. Okay, but they are not there. Now we have number 8. Now after number 8, what number do we have? So let's count from number 1 to number 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow. So after number 8, we have number 9. Good. So we are going to write number 9 here. So we have 8, 9, 10. Wow. So after number 10, what is the next number? Okay, let's count one more time. 8, 9, 10. Very good. Number 11. Good. We have number 11. So after number 10, we have number 11. Very good. Now, what is supposed to be here? What number do we have to put here? Okay, let's count one more time. We begin from number 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. What number do we have here? Okay, don't worry. We are going to count one more time. Okay, let's go. 8, 9, 10, 11. Very good. Number 12. So we have number 12 here. So after number 11, the next number is going to be number 12. Very good. So we are going to count all together one more time. Let's go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Very good. Very good. Now, on the board, we have a new number, okay? The new numbers we have on the board is 0, 3, and number 5. So, we are going to look for the missing numbers here, here, and here. Very good. So, if we start with 0, 0, we have number. What number do we have after 0? Very good. We have number 1. Good. 0. We have number 1. Now, after number 1, what number do we have? Okay, let's count. 0. Okay. 1. What is the next number? Very good. Number 2. Number 2. So, let's count. We have 0, 1, 2, 3. What number do we have here? Okay, let's count one more time. Let's go. 0, 1, 2, 3. Very good. Number 4. We have here number 4. After number 4, what is the next number? Number 5. So we are going to count one more time. 0. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5. Very good. So this is your homework, okay? Now look here. This is your homework. You are going to look for the missing numbers. Here we have number 3, we have number 5, we have number 6, and we have empty spaces here. You are going to look for the missing numbers. Now, number 3. What is the next number here? Number 4. Very good. And we have 5 and number 6. So, after number 6, you are going to look for the next number for this and this and this. Very good. Now, the second one here, we have number 13. Okay. Now, you are going to look for the missing number after number 13. Good. The next number after number 13, you are going to look for it. Then we have 15, and you are also going to look for the next number after number 15, and this and this. Very good. So make sure you do it all from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are going to follow the examples on the board and you look for the missing numbers on your worksheet. Okay, thank you very much. Nice to have you in my class. Goodbye.